my 7th year. The most that sells is our mini jibarito over here.
Is it? It's a Chicago thing, the jibarito?
Yeah, actually it is. It is. Some guy invented it here. So.
Jibarito, the mini jibarito. 2 plantains are the bread. And usually you get a garlic sauce, red onion, like a American cheese or something. And then steak or chicken or pork. I believe this is pork.
It's crispy. There's this like white creamy sauce on it that
the garlic,
garlicky, right?
garlicky.
Yeah, the garlic aioli. So what was in the fish stew?
Oh, the bacalao guisao, it was actually codfish, and then it has onion, green pepper, and then all the seasonings.
That was my favorite dish.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Whoa.
This stew is awesome. It has onions, peppers, some like a tomato-based sauce, but it's like a gravy and it's really savory. Oh yeah. Mark, you need to try this.
That's amazing. This is a alcapurria de yuca. It's a deep fried fritter. It's almost like a sweet potato kind of flavor. Really, really good.
The chicken skewer, the meat is super tender and it's coated in this barbecue sauce. It's like a perfect thing to eat at a park.
Last video I talked about how meat on sticks are a street food always, and this confirms it.
This is some cola.
I like this stuff. It tastes like bubble gum. It's an acquired taste. In Chicago, this is the best place to go for home-style Puerto Rican food, and also, like, you know, the snack format really helps you try a lot of different of the street foods.
Everything was like $2 or $3 or $4 each, so you really can try a little bit of everything. It's almost like, yeah, I mean, Snix Snacks is a good name for it.
Yeah. I'm gonna do more jibarito.